everyone, welcome to another edition of the Library Marketing Show. I'm Angela Hursh from superlibrarymarketing.com, the blog that helps you with your library marketing. You can go there and click on the Library Marketing Show tab to suggest a topic for an upcoming episode, to nominate someone for kudos, which we'll do in a few minutes. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and share these videos with your friends working in library marketing so we can all be successful. All right, today I want to talk a little bit about why I think programming and promotions are BFFs. What I mean by this is I want libraries to think in concert in these two areas. Programming and promotions should be working hand in hand. So when you're creating programs and then figuring out how to market them, you should be thinking about one another so that you can be successful and have lots of attendance at your programs. And there are 3 questions that you can ask both departments, if you have those 2 departments, to try and make your program successful. The first one is this program easy? Is it easy to register for it or participate? Is it easy for people to even understand what the program is about? Too often libraries create programs and then they put up hurdles that our community has to jump through in order to interact with the program. And then they wonder why people don't attend. It's got to be easy. And that's a really important thing to keep in mind as you're putting together your programs and your promotions. Make it easy to interact with you. Second, is your program something that is a community interest or need? And too often I see libraries putting together programs because they think it's interesting or they think it's something that the community should learn about, but the community isn't really interested in doing that. Or maybe it's something that senior leaders at your library think is important, but the community does not. That might be an area where there's a little bit of pushback, but if you're going to be successful in programming and in promotions, you have to address the specific needs and interests of your community. It's not about you, it's about them. So keep that in mind as you're putting together your programs and your promotions, particularly if there are no other organizations in your area that are filling that need or interest. That's a really great opportunity for your library. Number 3 is, who is your target audience? We often think about this when we get to the promotion step and not to the program step, and I want you to kind of think about that as you're putting your programs together. Who is the target audience? You can even think about what goals. What do you want the target audience to get out of your program, and write those goals down. That might help you as you put it together and then pass it on to the promotions part of your cycle. So let me know what you think about this. How do programs and promotion work together or not work together at your library? You can let me know in the comments or send me a comment anonymously through superlibrarymarketing.com. Just click on the Library Marketing Show tab to do that. You can also nominate someone for kudos, which goes today to my friends at the Champaign Public Library. Evelyn Shapiro works there as the promotions manager, and she shared with me a whole list of videos that they put together about library love. They interviewed a bunch of people and asked them why they love the library. They even got a teenager to go on camera, which is pretty darn great. These videos are short but effective, and Evelyn and her team are going to be able to use them in a bunch of ways to give some positive buzz to their library. I'll put a link to that list down below in the description of this video so you can watch it and be inspired to do something similar at your library. Kudos to Champaign County. All right, that's it for this week. Let me know if you have a topic suggestion for an upcoming episode or kudos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week.